Do you know about cleaning with vinegar and water? We reveal 5 useful and harmful effects of cleaning using vinegar here, so stay tuned. Vinegar, in our everyday life, an indispensable thing. This is an inexpensive tool that does not require any special skills from a person to work with it. It is used to remove stains and give freshness when washing windows. There are many other uses. But do not forget that vinegar is an acid that can spoil some objects. Therefore, today we will remind you in what cases it can be useful and when you should refrain from using it. So, with the help of vinegar, you can perfectly wash the following things in the house. Number 1. Windows. Instead of buying an expensive glass cleaner, prepare the following mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to 3.8 liters of water. Pour into a container with an atomizer and spray on the windows. Then wipe them with a dry cloth. Number 2. Dishwasher. For quality cleaning, it is recommended to put a container, glass, or cup, with a double dose of vinegar on the top rack, and start the machine in usual mode without loading the dishes. Do not add detergent. At the end of the cycle, your dishwasher will shine, a smell of freshness will appear. Number 3. Towels. Especially, soiled towels can be washed in a washing machine, with the addition of 0.5 glasses of white vinegar. In this case, the powder is not required. This method is effective for long-lasting spots, complex oily, sweat, or traces of berries. Number 4. Carpets. All types of stains on carpets can be eliminated with a simple mixture: 1 tablespoon of detergent for dishes to mix with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 2 glasses of warm water. Using a clean white cloth or sponge, you must apply the mixture on the stain, rub it hard. You can repeat it several times, until the stain completely disappears. Number 5. Fruits. To eliminate bacteria and pesticides on fruits and vegetables, you can use a mixture of 3 parts of water, and 1 part of white vinegar. Pour it into a bottle with an atomizer, and spray on the food. Then thoroughly wash them. But remember, there are items that cannot be wiped with vinegar, otherwise you can spoil their appearance. This concerns granite or marble countertops, smartphone or laptop screen, stainless steel or aluminum items like irons, and wax surfaces like car body. Do not try to clean egg waste, and do not mix with soap or bleach. So, do these cleaning with vinegar and water every day, and live a healthy clean life. If you want to live a healthy life, then stay tuned with our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later and thanks for watching.